just something a little different about the pizza at Joe Squared in Baltimore, Maryland. And this one,
Order up, big clam!
Joe's take on surf and turf. But it's a souvenir from Italy that's a game changer for this pie.
I was in Florence and in the Central Market there, and somebody was selling a bunch of old yeasts. And that's where I picked up this starter. The starter is supposed to be a bit over 200 years old from the Isle of Ischia off the coast of Naples.
Smells awesome. I love it.
First, we're gonna add in some flour and your water. You're just mixing it up. I'm just trying to get the yeast to spread.
Building a bigger starter.
Exactly.
Fine, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, buddy.
Just kidding.
Oh, dude. Not supposed to leave somebody hanging.
Whoa! All right, so this is yesterday. So now what's gonna happen?
Now, pour it in the machine. Then we're just putting equal parts of flour and water in there.
What type of flour?
Caputo, double O.
Double O. So we'll mix this through. Just gonna spread the yeast.
It'll start rising back up, you know, get
Got
nice
it.
and spongy.
How long?
About 2.5 hours. Now we're making our sponge into dough.
Now you add in another 2/3 of flour.
1 cup of salt.
Okay.
We get her started to incorporate a little bit. Once it starts gripping a little bit, then we add the oil.
The oil so it pulls away from the bowl.
Uh-huh.
You let that proof for another 2 hours?
About 2 hours or so.
Man, what a labor of love this is. This is going for what pizza?
Bacon and clam's the one we'll be cooking today.
My middle name is Bacon and Clam. My parents are hippies.
Hippies don't eat bacon.
They did, mine did.
Oh, man.
Yeah, right off the hoof. Now you're in the know. Okay, so this is it?
Yes, grab your chunk of dough. Thin it out a little bit.
Opposite direction?
Exactly.
I don't think these are gonna come out cookie cutter uniform.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's see it.
Semolina. Now we're cutting it. There you go.
It's not even a round form.
Now, your roasted garlic. I'll go thin on it because it's strong.
Frozen clam.
Frozen clams.
It's a lot of clams.
Drop your bacon down. We're pretty generous about such things.
Bocconcini.
That's a Ciliegini.
What's the difference between a bocconcini and a Ciliegini?
Ciliegini's cherry size. The Bocconcini's a little bit bigger.
I should taste that and just make sure. Exactly right, that is a Ciliegini.
Sliced Vidalia onion.
Asiago.
How long we going down for?
We're going down for about a minute.
This we gotta run a stopwatch on. Registering right now at about 900 on the deck and 1200 on the dome.
Probably closer to 1,500 off that dome.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is smoking hot. Give it a little spin. Final crisp on the bottom. Nice. Look at that.
A little bit of oregano, olive oil.
I love the screen idea. Wow. Crust is cooked off perfect. Nice texture, nice chew. This is a lot of clams, great garlic sauce. Fresh herb at the end finishes it. Dude, crazy good.